Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with my November video tip. I was going to talk about cutting back shrubs after the autumn colour has faded. I always leave these garden film tips to the last moment to make them really seasonal, but you may be able to see that it's very murky and wet here today, has been for the last few days. So that topic has been deferred, and I am going to be recycling, very environmentally there, a short video talk I did on the value of moving away from using chemicals in the garden. So happy gardening.
One of the big well-being aspects of gardening is how we connect with nature, not just nurturing the plants in our garden, but observing the wildlife that lives there too. We hear often enough about the decline in wildlife across the world, and the UK is no exception. You might ask how much good supporting wildlife can do in a small garden, but individual gardens are part of a green chain, creating wildlife corridors that are vital, especially in towns, and together make a huge contribution. Ditching pesticides and weed killers is the biggest step in gardening organically and benefits your garden too by allowing a healthy population of natural predators and pollinators to thrive that otherwise may fall victim to insecticides. We all love butterflies wafting from flower to flower and ladybirds resting on our roses. But remember that all native wildlife that appears in your garden is part of a balanced ecosystem, and some of the less appealing creatures may be vital to our favourites. If you want butterflies, then you have to have caterpillars. Ladybirds feed on greenfly. Your garden can be just as beautiful and productive by gardening with instead of against nature. Yes, you may have to change some habits, but the alternative to organic gardening really is a place that none of us want to end up. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.